Hello, konnichiwa! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today we're going to make Gyoza Pastry, gluten-free. I'm so happy that my gluten-free Gyoza Pastry recipe is getting so popular, so I decided to continue this series. This is the volume 3. This time I'll try 2 colors, yellow and red. And to make yellow color, I use yellow paprika. And to make red color, I use tomato. During this video, I introduce easy cooking techniques and ideas, so please watch until the end. So let's get started! Here are the ingredients. Okay, the Gyoza Pastry gluten-free version, yellow and red color is done. So let's try tasting. But before that, itadakimasu. It's so chewy, but it has a firm texture, and it's made of the natural paprika paste and mild flavor. I'm sure my children will like it. If you like mochi, I'm sure you will love it. Okay, next, red color gyoza wrapper. Same as this color, it has a very solid tomato taste. It has some sourness from the tomato. I recommend this one for tomato lovers. Who love tomato? Please let me know. Okay, ごちそうさまでした。How was the recipe today? So here are the tips of today's menu. Tip: if the paprika paste is too loose, add rice flour little by little. And knead. And tip: if it's hard to find tomato powder, please use a strong red colored tomato with high concentration. And tip: I recommend to make the fillings beforehand. And after making the gyoza pastry, please wrap and cook as soon as possible. This gyoza pastry can be stored in a refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. It can be also frozen in a freezer for almost a month. In the case, I recommend to wrap and make a gyoza and freeze. So those are my recommendations. I hope this recipe helps you to plan the menu for the weekends or busy weekdays. You can check this recipe on my recipe app. It's called Recipe by YJC. Recipe by YJC. This is compatible for both iOS and Android. Please download and carry to your local supermarket. So everyone, be sure to hit the like buttons. And if you watch this video for the first time, please subscribe. So if you want to know more about Japanese food and culture and Japanese lifestyle, please go to my website yjc.tokyo, yjc.tokyo, and you'll see the pop-up screen. So please type your email address and push the button and it's done. Easy. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Here is Sui-chan. Hello. Oh my god. So she enjoyed eating gyoza. So I'll see you next time. またね. Bye bye.